Hi, my name is Heather, and today I'm going to chat with you about how to come up with ideas when you feel creatively blocked. My first tip is to take something that you did in the past and redo it. You probably have something that you created maybe a year ago, or a few years ago, or maybe even 10 years ago. And since then, your skill has probably increased, and also you've probably changed some too. Maybe even your techniques have changed. So if you take something that you did a while back and redo it, then it's going to look a lot different, and you can do it how you would like it nowadays as opposed to back then. My next tip is to take something that you've done and you love and make it into a series. Let's say that you've done a painting of a fox on a mushroom and it's one of your favorite paintings. Well, you can take that idea and then make, say, a squirrel on a different color mushroom or a squirrel on a tree stump. So you can make it into a series, and then you can have a series of paintings that all go together. My next tip is to go through your past work to help you spark ideas. A lot of times when I'm having a creative block, I will either look through my Etsy shop or look through my scans of my previous paintings, or if I have like an album that has photos of paintings that I've done, then I'll look through those, and that can spark ideas of ones that can kind of go with the ones that I already have. So I already know my style and what I like to paint. So if I kind of think of it as like paintings that could go with those ones, if I have a painting of a narwhal in a certain color scheme and a certain setting, then I can make another painting that goes with that one, but instead of a narwhal, maybe it's going to be a shark or an otter or some other ocean creature. My next tip is to look at a different medium for ideas. I do this all the time where, say, I want to make a painting of a fox, then I don't go look at paintings of foxes because I want to kind of come up with a different idea than what I've seen before. I'll go on Etsy and look at fox jewelry, or maybe I'll just go to the store and look at like the baby section or the kids section. You can look at t-shirts, like I would look at like fox t-shirts. I would look at fox clip art, fox ink stamps. That's a really good one because there's some really cute like layouts and ways that the fox would be sitting or interacting with other creatures in like ink stamps and in stickers and that kind of thing. So the other really cool thing about this method is that you know that you're not going to be copying someone else's work, because even if you tried to copy, you couldn't, because you're changing it to a different medium. So just because of that, it's going to be different, but then you'll put your own spin on it too. So it's going to end up being uniquely yours. This has really helped me come up with some unique paintings and layouts for my forest animals. The flip side of that is to take something that you already have and change the medium. The really cool thing about this is you might even end up creating things that don't even take that much work to create because you've really already done the hard work. So for example, say that you have some illustrations that you did for some project. Take those illustrations and make stickers out of them. Say you illustrated an alphabet book. Then take all of those illustrations and trace over them with a black outline, and you can make an alphabet coloring book. You can also take those and make alphabet coloring pages as a digital download. You could take all the alphabet letters, shrink them down so that you have them all on one sheet, and then it's an alphabet poster. And it can be a coloring poster, and you can have that as a digital download. So the possibilities are really endless. You can take things that you've already made and just go nuts and make all kinds of things out of them. I've done that with my paintings. I've turned them into buttons, cards, bookmarks, all that kind of stuff. This also really helps if you're just kind of feeling creatively drained and you don't really feel like coming up with something new. If you don't feel like painting or you don't feel like illustrating, you can still create new products by just taking stuff you already have and just moving them to a different medium. Those are my tips for getting out of a creative block. I hope my tips were helpful. Do you have any tips to help you get out of a creative block? If so, definitely share it in the comments. because I think it's great when we share ideas with each other. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so I know to make more videos like this. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.